Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Salem, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving more than 50 miles away from your current address, you would require experienced long-distance movers. The best long-distance movers in Salem are 3 Movers. We collaborate with you to create a strategy that includes every detail of your move. We work around your budget, time, and personal tastes. We will help you sort, label, arrange, and load all your belongings. Finally, we have professional movers who are gently ready to put your goods into the vehicles. Our vehicles have plenty of space to transport your belongings safely and quickly, and you don't have to be concerned about the belongings being harmed. We can distinguish between delicate and heavy items. Our insurance protection is likewise top-notch and protects your belongings during the relocation. Our drivers are experts in the field, and they have lots of expertise in transporting items over long distances. They drive safely, adhere to local highway restrictions, and arrive at your location on time. We also offer the best local moving services, and if you move less than 50 miles, locals highly suggest us since we create wonderful relocations with our clientele. Furthermore, our services are cost-effective, and we charge between $30 and $40 per hour. We follow a set of well-organized procedures to ensure that our customers are delighted. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Salem moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.